Hello guys, welcome to Amazon TV. I hope you're okay. So this is what is happening in Durban today. You remember the video yesterday where foreigners took advantage of those members of Image and March, Baba Shaya, where they gang up with unpatriotic South Africans to beat up members of Image and March. So today they are reaping what they saw yesterday. Abophakela umthakathi are there now to show them that we are here now because yesterday we decided to take advantage of our sisters. In that video, one of those videos, you remember ukuthi bahlanganyele they gang up and beat up Teresa, a member of Image and March, that white lady who is always in front. So today abophakela umthakathi neinsizwa are there now to show them ukuthi we are here now. Come out and do what you did yesterday because they were taking advantage ukubona ukuthi abantu besifazane kuphela abebe laphayana and few guys ebebe laphayana because abantu abanye basuke bengekho besemsebenzini. So now they are nowhere to be seen. Insizwa seyifikile phela ngoba angithi bathe bona they are not scared, they are not afraid of anyone and they are not going anywhere. They will continue to run their businesses. Akekho umuntu ozobathinta. Izolo they thought ukuthi they own the country ngendlela bebe behave ngayo besho konke ukuthi wozani asisabi umuntu ngeke size sihambe akekho umuntu esizomsebenzela ukuthi sivula amabhizinisi. Even those businesses they are bragging about, did they invest 5 million before they started running those businesses? Abagazi baze ba-invest 5 million, aba-comply. These people are not contributing anything in this country. They are not hiring South Africans. They are not supporting our own suppliers in South Africa. They are not paying SARS. They are not doing anything to at least to contribute in this country. But we have the president, we have people who will just stand there shamelessly to say these people are here to invest. What did they invest? And I really don't understand ukuthi umuntu onjani ongafuni ukuhamba, umuntu onjani ongafuni ukuya ekhaya, yindoda enjani esaba ukumela inkinga zayo ezweni layo. What kind of a man, an African man, is that? Running away with your wife, with your kids, as a man, as an African man. Where is that dignity of an African man? Where is that thing as an African man? Yoguti, I will fight for my family. I will fight for my children. Where is that thing from these people? They don't learn even from South Africans. South Africans are fighting for their country. Even people like Ghana in Africa are fighting for their country. But they don't learn. Look at how many they are in South Africa. A huge number of men who were supposed to be there to fight for their own countries. But if they are here in South Africa, they know how to fight. But tell them to go back home, to go and fix their problems. No, they can't even sneeze in their own countries. Why? Because they are afraid of their government. Here in South Africa, they can do anyhow. They become warriors, heroes. They become brave. I really don't understand. Amadoda njani. And dig a shame if they don't see what some South Africans are tired. It's up to here now. Bazoyisola. I'm telling you bazoyisola because bayawazi ama-South African ukuthi abantu abanjani. Bazoyisola nje angifuni ukusho amanga. So here in KZN vele bazohamba. And what I don't understand ukuthi they are fighting people who are claiming their own city. So they took that advantage yesterday. They came out with those unpatriotic South Africans to come and challenge Image and March because they know ukuthi abophakela umthakathi nabomizwe are not there because that time they were not there. So today they are here. We are waiting for them to come out. Come out as men. Let's talk. Let's discuss this thing because really here in KZN vele kumele bahambe. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, to like and share the video. Love you. Bye.